Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix touchscreen not responding in your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So, at first, what you need to do is to remove your screen protector or case because it may cause the interference with your display. Apart from that, try to clean your screen with microfiber, not microfiber, just cloth. It has to be soft cloth. Wipe the screen and everything should be working nice. Apart from that, you need to perform a force restart. To do a force restart, you need to hold the power and volume down button until you see that your phone is turned off. So hold it, and wait until you see the Samsung logo, because then you are sure that the soft reset is done. Let's wait. I failed, so I need to hold the power button until I see that my phone is turned on. Okay, now it's turning on. Now everything should be working fine. If it isn't working fine, if you still have your display broken and not responding, you need to try to update the software via the application, Samsung application, and to do so you need to check tutorials because this is very long procedure, or perform a factory reset via the recovery mode. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.